Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Logic Medico. Ever wondered why the thumb is on the outer side of your hand and the big toe is on the inner side of your feet? Just see once, see your palm, see where is the thumb? It's on the outer side, right, or the lateral side. See your foot, where is the big toe or the great toe? It is on the inner side or the medial side. Ever wondered why it is so? Let's see in this short and sweet video. So the objective will be why is the thumb outer side and why is the great toe on the inner side or the medial side. This outer side is also called lateral side. We have to know the embryology for that. Actually the embryo will be like a cylindrical shape in intrauterine life in first trimester, especially in the first 4 weeks of life. There is no limb bud. You can see that here in the embryo there is no limb bud, and also there is no neck for the embryo. So overall the embryo is a cylindrical shape. There is no neck for the embryo and there is no limb bud as well. So we are like this in the first 4 weeks inside the womb of our mother. So subsequently what happens? We'll see. Subsequently there is a development of the limb bud. This is the upper limb bud and this one will be the lower limb bud. So this formation of the limb bud, when does it happen? Approximately by the end of 1 month, that is by the 4th week of intrauterine life. So this starts formation of limb bud. You have to understand that the limb bud, upper limb bud formation takes place at the future neck area. Therefore it is supplied by brachial plexus. The lower limb bud takes place in the lumbar region, so bottom here. So it is supplied by lumbosacral plexus. Sacrum is a part of the pelvis. So lumbosacral plexus. That is a nerve plexus I am talking of. So this upper limb bud development takes place in the neck region. This one takes place in the future hip region. Then subsequently there is a formation of, initially there is no, you can see in the limb bud, you see in the previous slide, when there is limb bud there is no hand and there is no toes. But now there is a formation of hand and there is formation of toes. Kindly observe carefully. Out of all the fingers and toes together we can call it digits. The biggest digit of both the sides, the hand as well as the foot, it's pointing upwards, isn't it? It is in the upper margin of this limb. If you take this limb bud, upper limb bud, lower limb bud, both the biggest digits are pointing above the axis of the limb buds. So this if you understand, so both should be in the same side, right? But it isn't. That is because there is 90-degree rotation, outward rotation of the upper limb bud, whereas 90-degree rotation of the lower limb bud onto the inner aspect. This is outer aspect is also called lateral aspect, inner aspect is also called medial aspect. When the upper limb bud rotates 90-degree outwards and the lower limb bud rotates 90-degree inwards, totally how many degrees will be there between the thumb and the great toe? Totally 180 degree if you are told, that is the correct answer. So ultimately both the great toe and the thumb, which is the great digit of the hand, will be 180 degrees apart from one another. That is because in embryologically the upper limb bud rotates 90 degree outwards and the lower limb bud rotates 90 degree inwards. Inwards is also called medially, outward it's also called laterally. As the limb bud grows, instead of being perpendicular to the body, they will come by the side of the body. As you can see here in the previous, they were perpendicular to the body, but within the womb of our mother, within the uterus, we don't have adequate space to be growing like this perpendicular to the body. So hence they come onto the side of the body, and of course there will be the universal flexion. They will be in bent position. They won't be open like this. Only for your understanding it's been depicted like this. So when it comes like this, when the upper limb bud gets by the side of the body and lower limb bud actually comes lower, you can see where is the thumb. Thumb is on the outer side. You can see where is the great toe. Great toe is on the inner side. Inner side is also called medial, outer side is also called lateral. Those are the medical words for that. So as the limb bud grows, this is how upper limb hangs by the side of the body, lower limb comes below this pelvis. So ultimately the result, what is that? Thumb is outer side of the hand and in the foot, great toe is medial side or the inner side of the foot. So outer side is called lateral side. Thumb is on lateral side, great toe is medial side. Hope you like this video. Kindly share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell button. Like, comment and share the video with your family and friends. Thank you once again.